Once upon a time, in a bustling forest, lived a swift little swallow named Swift. Known for her agility and speed, Swift was admired by all creatures in the forest. One sunny day, Swift was flying swiftly over the forest when she noticed a turtle named Tilly struggling to cross a shallow stream. Tilly was slow and heavy, making it difficult for her to cross the stream. Swift, being quick and nimble, offered to help Tilly. "I can carry you across the stream," she said, and Tilly gratefully accepted. But as Swift swooped low to pick up Tilly, she found herself losing her balance and nearly falling into the stream. Tilly, seeing Swift's struggle, suggested, "Perhaps it is not always wise to rush in where we may be too weak." Swift, realizing her mistake, agreed and apologized to Tilly. From that day forward, Swift learned to take her time and consider the consequences of her actions. She became stronger and more thoughtful, always thinking before acting. And so, the forest creatures learned a valuable lesson that day: swiftness without wisdom can lead to mistakes, but wisdom without haste can lead to success. The moral of the story is to find the balance between speed and thoughtfulness, for a swift action with wisdom is truly the key to success.